If you've ever wondered how to get more sales or leads from your landing pages, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Leadpages to run A/B tests on your landing pages step by step. A/B testing is one of the most powerful tools in marketing. It's like having a behind-the-scenes look at what actually gets people to click, sign up, or buy. Instead of guessing, you'll be making decisions based on real data, and Leadpages makes the whole process super simple, even if you're a beginner. Why A/B testing matters? Think about this. If you owned a physical store, you might rearrange your display to see what catches customers' attention. One day showcasing new arrivals at the entrance, and the next day highlighting a sale rack. You'll quickly notice which layouts gets people to buy more. A/B testing works the same way for your landing pages. It's all about testing two versions of the same page, changing one small element like a headline or a button color to see which one gets better results. It's not guesswork, it's data-driven, which means you're making decisions based on what your audience actually responds to. For e-commerce, where every single click counts, A/B testing can mean the difference between an okay campaign and one that drives major sales. So what is A/B testing exactly? A/B testing is when you create two versions of a landing page, version A and version B, and shows them to different visitors at the same time. Each version has one small difference, like a different headline, call to action button, or image. Over time, you can see which version performs better by comparing key metrics like click-through rates or conversions. It's like running a mini experiment on your website. And the best part is Leadpages makes it super easy to set up and analyze A/B tests without needing any technical skills. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly go over some of the key features that make A/B testing in Leadpages so effective. First off, easy duplication. Leadpages lets you duplicate your original landing page with just one click. This makes it super simple to create a second version for testing without starting from scratch. Two is simple traffic splitting. The platform automatically splits traffic between your A/B test pages, so you don't even have to worry about setting up complicated systems. You can even control the percentage split like 50-50 or 70-30. Next, real-time analytics. Leadpages provides real-time data on how each page is performing. You can see conversion rates, click-through rates, and more, all in one dashboard. Intuitive design options. Even if you're new to landing page design, Leadpages drag and drop builder makes it super easy to tweak headlines, colors, or images for your test without any coding knowledge. Quick implementation of winning pages. Once you know which version works best, Leadpages lets you apply the winning page as your main version with just a few clicks, which streamlines your process to maximize your results. These features make it super easy to get started with A/B testing, even if you're completely new to the concept. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial on how to navigate A/B testing through Leadpages. So what you're going to want to do first is use our exclusive link in the description to get signed up. If you are not already signed up, what you'll want to do is go ahead and click sign up for free. And then from here, you will select the different plan. You can decide which plan you would like. As you can see, they have a couple of different options. So they've got the standard plan, which is $49 a month, billed monthly. And with this, you get 5 landing pages, unlimited traffic leads, 1 custom domain, 200 conversion templates, and best-in-class conversion tools and standard integrations. Next is the Pro plan, which is $99 a month. You get unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, 3 custom domains, over 200 optimized templates, as well as you can sell products and services and a blog as well. If you want to pay annually with these 2 plans, you can save some money, so make sure you check that out as well. Lastly is the conversion plan, which is $697 a month, and you do have to contact support for this, but you get a full marketing funnel audit, you get a customized landing page built for you, 1 paid media campaign, a dedicated conversion expert, a pro account, unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, and advanced integrations. So they do have options for everyone here. You also can try the platform for 14 days free, which is also a huge benefit. So you can always check that out with the free trial first. So once you select the plan that you would like, go ahead and click start free trial, and then you can sign up with Google or email. Once you are in, as you can see, the dashboard is super intuitive and easy to navigate. As you can see, we've got the dashboard, the landing pages, which we will be working on. We've got sites, blogs, conversion tools, leads, brand, images, scripts, integrations, domains, and support. And then here too, you can see they have your performance right here on the dashboard. So we're going to go into the landing page. What we're going to do is create a landing page first because we need something to actually test. So we'll go ahead and choose something simple. Let's do this one, split test. So you'll want to give your page a name. And so here you can see we're going to keep everything the same. Just in case you're not sure how Leadpages works, it's very simple and intuitive. Here is the layout. And so you can change these however you would like. And then within these sections, you can add a bunch of different ones. So they've got events, they've got opt-in forms, they've got a schedule, they've got text blocks. So it's very, very simple and intuitive. And all you do is drag this in. And then with the widgets, you can completely customize it. So if you want to just add in a text or an image or a form or a button or a video, it's super easy to just drag and drop. We'll go back to landing pages. So here you can see is the one we just created. What we're going to do is create new split test, and we are going to use split test 1. And then what we want to do is add a variation. So we can copy the control or we can choose a different page. What we're going to do is copy the control group so we can just change one simple thing on that landing page to see which one converts better. So we'll do split test 2, edit variation. If we change more than one, it'll be too complicated to track what actually worked. So what we're going to do is just change the button. So we'll go ahead and change the color. We're going to change it to just like something super bright and red and just see if that works or more of the actual brand vibe that we're going for works. So once that is done, you will go ahead and click publish. So now we've got the control group and we've got the variation. What you'll want to do after that is distribute the traffic and go ahead and publish both of them. So it's super, super simple. And like I said, when you distribute the traffic, you can do 50-50, you can choose 70-30, whatever it is that you want to do. And then all you have to do is publish it after that. So Leadpages makes it super intuitive and easy. As I mentioned before, if you want to get started with the free trial or get set up for yourself, make sure you use our link in the description below. A/B testing is one of the most simple but powerful ways to improve your landing page. And Leadpages makes it super easy for anyone to do it. Whether you're testing headlines, images, or call to action buttons, small tweaks can lead to a big result. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce business, A/B testing is a must-have tool in your toolbox. Again, that link is in the description below to try it out yourself. This channel is all about helping you master the tools and strategies you need to succeed in the e-commerce world. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.